Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to solo the new raid in Anime Royale. Anyways, let's get right into the video. For units, you're gonna need the friend unit, Manara, Jojo, Ulcoria Evolve, Lawlight, and Nemo. On wave 1, you're gonna place your Nemo, I would say under the tree to keep it organized. On wave 2, you're gonna place a Jojo about right here. On wave 3, you're gonna place a Lawlight next to her, and then another Nemo. On wave 4, you're gonna come over here and place down the friend near the middle of the hill. And then you're gonna come back over here, and then place 2 more Nemos down. On wave 5, you're gonna come back over here, place down a Jojo right here, and then you're gonna upgrade her 1 time. And then you're gonna come back over here and then upgrade your Lawlight, and then you're gonna wait until you can upgrade one of the Nemos. On wave 6, you're gonna quickly place 2 Ulcorios so these guys cannot get through. And then you're gonna come back over here and then wait until you can get her to full AoE. On wave 7, you're gonna come back over here, upgrade your Lawlight again, and then upgrade 2 of your Nemos to level 1. So now you should have your Lawlight level 2 and then 3 level 1 Nemos. Now once you get enough money, you're going to upgrade your last level 0 Nemo to level 1. On wave 8, you're going to come back over here and upgrade your friend unit to level 3 out of 5. Now once you have 1,000, you're going to come back here and upgrade another Nemo. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helps you. On wave 9, you're going to come back over here and then upgrade your Lawlight again to level 3 out of 6. And then you're going to upgrade the rest of your Nemos to level 2 out of 3. On wave 10, you're going to come over here and then upgrade this one 2 times, and then come back over here, take this Jojo, and then put him right about here. You're also going to upgrade a couple of your Nemos, if you can, all of them, to max level. Well, you're going to have to wait a little bit to upgrade this one, but when you can, upgrade her. On wave 11, you're going to want to upgrade your Lawlight to level 4 out of 6. On wave 12, you're going to upgrade your friend unit to upgrade 4 out of 5. On wave 13, you're going to come back here and then upgrade your Lawlight again to level 5 out of 6. And then you're going to come all the way back here and then sell both your Ulcorios and then move them right about right here next to the hill. On wave 14 out of 15, what you're going to want to do is just wait until wave 15 out of 15. You're just going to save up now. On wave 15, what you're going to want to do is come back here and sell all of your moneymaker units. Now once you do this, you're going to come back here and then upgrade your friend unit to level, I think that's 5 out of 5, but upgrade max. And then what you're going to want to do is come back here and then put 2 Manaras down like this, and then set them to strongest target. Now as you can see, he's starting to escape the Manara's range, so what you're going to want to do is start moving them with him and then setting them to strongest until his shield is broken, and then you can sell them. So now that his shield is broken, you can go ahead and sell the Manaras. Anyways, that's how you solo the new raid in Anime Royale. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.